Hello, how to solve this is t power 3 equals 7 to 9. We are solving for all values of t that satisfy this equation. Now let's start with this particular method. I can have it this way and say let x equals t power 3. So that means we are going to have this t power 3 here is x. So we have t power x equals 7 to 9. So next step will be for us to express this in exponential form. 7 to 9 is same as 9 times 9 times 9. This is 9 power 3. So we have t power x equals 9 power 3. So from here, we apply natural log of t power x equals natural log of 9 power 3. So if you have natural log of a power p equals p times natural log a. So this is x times natural log t equals 3 times natural log 9. So from here, we have a variable x and we have another variable t. So to ensure that the two variables are uniform, what I'm going to do will be to come over here. Here we have x equals t power 3. I need to isolate t by multiplying this exponent by 1 over 3. Power 1 over 3. And this is raised to the power of 1 over 3. So if you have a power x to the power of y, this equals a power x times y. X power 1 over 3 equals t power 3 times 1, that is 3 over 3. This divided, so we have 1. X power 1 over 3 equals t. So t equals x power 1 over 3. So you have x times natural log of, this is x power 1 over 3. And this equals 3 times natural log of 9. Now, remember again, if you have natural log of a power p equals p times natural log of a. So the 1 over 3 here will come behind this. We have x times 1 over 3. Natural log of x equals 3 times natural log of 9. Multiplying this, we have x over 3 of natural log of x equals 3 times natural log of 9. So we can decide to multiply each part by 3. So if you multiply this, you have 3 times x divided by 3. And natural log x equals, multiply this, 3 times 3, that is 9, times natural log 9. So from here, this eliminate this, we have x times natural log x equals 9 times natural log 9 by comparing the values here. So we have x equals 9. And recall, from this particular equation here, we have x power 1 over 3 equals t. X power 1 over 3 equals t. That means t equals x power 1 over 3. And our x is 9, so we have t equals 9 power 1 over 3. And if you have a power 1 over n, this equals n root of a. So this is cube root of 9. Alright, so that is that. You can also solve this using another method. T power 3 equals 7 to 9. Now what we can do will be to simply say let y equals t power 3. In fact, let's not do it that way. I can decide to raise each part of this equation to the power of 3 because there's 3 here already. Of t power 3 raised to the power of 3 equals 7 to 9 raised to the power of 3. Now, this will represent my n. This will represent my m. So I can easily switch the power, because if you have a power x power y equals a power y power x, so we switch the powers. That means we have t power 3 to the power of t power 3 equals 7 to 9 power 3. So from here, t power 3 to the power of t power 3 equals 7 to 9, like I said earlier on. It's 9 power 3, that is 9 times 9 times 9. So, and this is raised to the power of 3. Now I can multiply this exponent. T power 3 raised to the power of t power 3 equals 9 power 9. Now, this and this are the same, this and this are the same. You have a power a equals b power b, meaning a equals b. So you can say t power 3 equals 9. And from here, I can solve for t by eliminating this exponent of t power 3. So raised to the power of 1 over 3 equals 9 raised to the power of 1 over 3. Remember, a power x power y equals a power x times y. So let's multiply this out. Of t power 3 times 1, this is 3 over 3 equals 9 power 1 over 3. This is 1, so we have t equals 9 power 1 over 3, which is the same as saying the cube root of 9. So you can also agree with me that a power 1 over n equals the n root of a. So this is our answer as well. And so what we are going to do will be to verify. If you have t power 3 equals 7 to 9, our t is 9 power 1 over 3. We can further simplify this. 9 power 1 over 3 is the same thing as having 9 is simplified squared. 3 power 2 power 1 over 3 is the same thing as having 3 power 2 times 1 over 3. This is 2 over 3. So t power 3 is the same thing. You instead is 14. 3 power 2 over 3. 3 power 2 over 3 power 3 equals 7 to 9. And from here, if you multiply this exponent This cancel this. Have 3 power 2 over 3. 3 power 2 equals 729. This is 9. So we have 3 power 2 over 3 to the power of 9 equals 729. So from here, 9 times 2, 18. 18 divided by 3. So we have 3 power 18 divided by 3 equals 729. And 18 divided by 3, this is 6. 3 power 6 equals 729. So this simply means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 equals 729. This is 9. This is 9. This is 9. So this is 9 times 9 times 9. And that is 729. So there is it. This has satisfied the equation, guys. So that is it. Thank you and goodbye.